Hello friends, welcome to GK EduZone. As per Union Budget 2020, which archaeological location of Assam is to be developed into iconic sites? Shivsagar. Which country successfully launched the world's first 6G satellite? China. Who is honored with Bharat Ratna Dr. Ambedkar Award 2020? Richa Chadda. Who will be the new President of United States of America? Joe Biden. Which sportsman was offered Deputy Superintendent of Police by Assam government? Hima Das. Which state government is going to build 33 new stadiums across the states under Uttaran scheme? Assam government. Which place has become Assam's first zero waste town? Titabar. Which district of Assam bagged national award for proper execution of Pradhan Mantri Matritwa Vandana Yojana? South Shalmara Mankachar. Which district from Assam was awarded with the Plastic Waste Management Award 2020? Dibrugarh. Who won the Padma Vibhushan Award in 2020 for his or her contribution in the field of sports? Mary Kom. The Government of India and State Government of Assam has signed a tripartite agreement with which tribal group recently? Boro community. What was the position of Assam in the Khelo India Youth Games 2020? 7th position. Who was the torchbearer of the opening ceremony of Khelo India Youth Games 2020? Hima Das. Who has been awarded with the Swami Vivekanand Karma Yogi Award 2020? Jadab Payeng. Who has been appointed as the State Information Commissioner of Assam? Samudragupta Kashyap. Who was the mascot of Khelo India Youth Games 2020? Vijay the Tiger, Jaya the Black Buck. What is India's rank in the World Bank's annual Human Capital Index list? 116th. Who is elected as the Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha? Harivansh. What is India's rank as per Global Economic Freedom Index 2020 report? 105th. Who is appointed as UNICEF Celebrity Advocate in India? Ayushmann Khurrana. Which US president is nominated for Nobel Peace Prize 2021? Donald Trump. Which state of India tops in the literacy rate in 2020? Kerala. With which country India held biennial bilateral maritime naval exercise Indro in 2020? Russia. What is India's rank in the Global Innovation Index 2020? (48th). In which state world's longest temple ropeway project is launched? In Gujarat. In which city India's biggest cardiac hospital is inaugurated? In Ahmedabad. Nitish Kumar was sworn in as Chief Minister of Bihar for the Dash Times. For the 7th times. What is India's rank in the Global Bribery Risk Matrix list of 2020? 77th. In which year Dadasaheb Phalke Award was awarded to Soumitra Chatterjee? In 2012. How many seats were won by NDA in Bihar Assembly election? 125 seats. Which state ranks top in the second National Water Awards? Tamil Nadu. The Nobel Peace Prize 2020 has been awarded to World Food Programme. Which country participates with Indian Navy in the joint exercise named SLINEX 20? Sri Lanka. Which state government has announced to set up world's biggest zinc smelter project? Gujarat. Which state became the first state that have made the public education completely digital? Kerala. India signed the Basic Exchange and Cooperation Agreement with which country? With USA. Which team wins the final of IPL 2020? Mumbai Indians. Which country will be hosting the G20 summit in 2023? India. Which state becomes the top state to provide employment under MNREGA? Uttar Pradesh. When Consumer Protection Act 2019 comes into force in India? On 20 July 2020. Which act has been replaced by Consumer Protection Act 2020? Consumer Protection Act 1986. What is the rank of India in Global Manufacturing Risk Index 2020? Third. What is India's rank in Inform Risk Index 2020? (191). Which women cricketer won Arjuna Award 2020? Deepti Sharma. Who won the men's single in French Open Tennis 2020? Rafael Nadal. Who won women's single in French Open Tennis 2020? Iga Swiatek. Who has been appointed as the chairman of Press Trust of India? Avik Sharkar. Which country approves coronavirus vaccine Epivac Corona? Russia. What is the rank of India in Commitment to Reducing Inequality Index 2020? 129th. Who won the Nobel Prize in Literature for 2020? Louis Gluck. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो लाइक और शेयर कीजिए और चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू।